to the other side of truth. Cause I don't simply do, simply involved. Multiply, divide, coefficient to solve the value of the variable previously unknown. The algebraic concept discovers what is shown. Sometimes when you solve, you'll get a special case when the variables cancel out. Inversing not erase if you win those only constants existing on each side. It's always true or never true, depending if it lies. If the constants are different, it'll always true. No matter what the input is, the answer will bring two. The constants are different, then it is never true. No solution ever works, no matter what we do. Yeah! Solving equations. Solving equations. Linear equations. Solving equations. Solving equations. Linear equations. Solving equations. Yeah! Thank you. In physics and mathematics, we utilize waves. The driving disturbance radially propagates, transferring energy, moving through space, relocating matter, no needing to phase. Type of direction, behavior of the pulse, sorts of kind of wave propagation that results. The path is perpendicular, the wave is called transverse, displaced along the axis, displacement comes first. Parallel direction, wave is longitudinal. Compression and expansion should be equal. Interact with waves every single day, from the sound of the song to the light of the day. Waves, we got the waves, we got the waves. Everybody wave. Waves, we got the waves, we got the waves. Everybody wave. The sinusoidal wave is the simplest form, based on the sine function S, the basic norm. The distance from identical points on adjacent waves is called the wavelength. The spacing that it saves, the period is the interval of time required for 2 points from 2 different waves to pass along. Therefore, the number of crests that pass a given spot is called the frequency. It's in hertz, not in watts. The measure of a crest to the axis of the x is called the amplitude. The volume it projects. Harmonics are created combining different signs. The timbre of an instrument developed from these lines. Waves, we got the waves, we got the waves. Everybody wave. Waves, we got the waves, we got the waves. Everybody wave. Two or more waves are traveling through. The algebraic sum is the resultant value. Waves that obey are referred as linear, have larger wavelengths, amplitudes are skinnier. When separate waves combine in interference, creating a new wave, a change in its appearance. An oscillation pattern that doesn't move through space is called a standing wave. Different points are in phase. The node is the point where the amplitude at minimum as a wave rises up. Anti-notice at maximum. The common form of these is musical resonance. A drum and speaker box called the audience and jazz. We got the waves. Everybody wave. Waves. We got the waves. We got the waves. Everybody wave. Everybody wave. Waves. We got the waves. We got the waves. Everybody wave. Hi everybody. How are you? This song is about PIMDOS. It's the order, it's the order, it's the order of operations. Logistically directs us to solve the computations. It's the order, it's the order, it's the order of operations. Arithmetic, algebraic, geometric calculations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. I entered numbers straight into my Cali. Includes a multitude, mathematical operations. Addition, division, exponential equations. Certainly does apply some parentheses. Stress a calculator to the digits, please. Useful in alpha for rational expressions. This is in solving these mathematical questions. It's the order, it's the order.
the computations. It's the order, it's the order, it's the order of operations. Arithmetic, algebraic, geometric calculations.
Priority overrides arithmetical operator. Do this first, it tells a calculator. The second primacy compares the exponents. A power or root, doesn't matter which it is. Multiply, divide, we know in succession. Takes precedence over addition or subtraction. Knowledge of this order makes us learn this machine. Together we're aware, we can calculate the means. Order is the order, it's the order of operations. Logistically directs us to solve the computations. Order is the order, it's the order of operations. Arithmetic, algebraic, geometric calculations.
It's the order, it's the order, it's the order of operations. Logistically directs us to solve the computations. It's the order, it's the order, it's the order of operations. Arithmetic, algebraic, geometric calculations.
Thank you.
X equals opposite B plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC all over 2A. X equals opposite B plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC all over 2A.
We want to be precise, we want to be concise. One needs to go, explanation of the device. Wrapping the quadratic can be somewhat problematic with the rational solution. Inaccurate mathematics, quadratic formula, work for operables. The various solutions that exist in algebra begin in season 4 equals equal to perform. AX plus BX plus C is the norm. We take the three values of A, B, and C, put them in the formula solutions that we need. Begin with this value, but put the sign. As a drop the square root top fraction above the line.
X equals opposite B plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC all over 2A. X equals opposite B plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC all over 2A.
Using no root, also called discriminant. B squared minus 4AC solutions in a set. In the values in the root, I could say positive. True real value common, but not a negative. That type of discriminant is the answer that's a box with real and imaginary numbers have been checked. If discriminant is zero, there's only one solution. The vertex of the x-axis, no need for substitution. Put the value of root Thank you. You gotta solve some equations that need to be solved. Multiple variables that are involved. There's a few different ways to get a deduction or no solution to the right. But in a coordinate place to see where the lines are in a hate. You just have to do a giving letter by itself. From the other side of the system shell. The additive inverse to the elimination. Take away the opposite to finish the equation. Nothing gonna need to multiply. 39 terms on both sides. When the coefficient not jumping or sleep. You add the two equations vertically. Once you have rid of a variable, you solve what's left to the decimal. Got that answer, you plug it back in. Get the other value of the variable. Solution is true. People share. This is some of equations ordered pair. Logically speaking, we can use as a thesis. But in the calculator, utilize a matrix. Easily solve a system of equations. Just make sure you do the calculations. One done, infinite done. One done, infinite done. One done, infinite done. One done, infinite done. Thank you. Three, six, nine. 12, 15, 18. 21, 24, 27, 30. 36, 39, 42. 45, 48, 55, 54. 57, 60. 63, 66, 69, 72. 75, 78, 81, 84. 87, 90. 93, 96, 99, 102. Thank you. Hopefully you all knew the words to that song. Hopefully. But if you didn't, that's okay too.
Susan Cole is from Bowie, Maryland, and her favorite type of music is something I've never heard of, but it doesn't sound like fun.
I think it's very fun. It's called nerdcore hip hop. It's
Nerdcore
hip hop. Yes. It's people who identify as nerdy, rapping about the things they love: video games, science fiction, having a hard time meeting romantic partners. You know, it's really catchy and fun.
Losers, in other words.
Well.
Does the order at the angle of the junction? Come talk to me, and remember,